the LVMS Library Subscription Database Tutorials. Today we will be going over Factcite. Each tutorial will begin at the library webpage. You will then proceed into the subscription database page. And today we are, as I said, we're going to look at Factcite. The login is LVMS and the password is library. And as you can see, Factcite is made up of a variety of different databases within the database. It has a number of biographical databases. It has a mythology, American history, defining moments, science, countries and cultures, as well as essential information. So we are going to begin by looking at the biography portions. There's several different ones. We have biography for beginners, shapers of society, sports champions, and world biography. Let's take a look at shapers of society, because many times your teachers will have you do a report on someone that has provided some great accomplishment that has benefited society. So it's also a good place to look for ideas. So, and as you can see, there's also a timeline of famous people throughout history, or you can go into the different subtopics. We can take a look at civil rights leaders. And let's go look at Nelson Mandela. And as you can see, it's very simple print. There's not a lot of links as other databases have. It's just basically the article at hand. There are pictures and that go along with the article. You are welcome to use those whenever you need pictures in your reporting. At the very bottom, there is the citation. And we do use MLA here at the middle school. So you would want to copy and paste this citation information if you used this article into a Google Docs, so that you would have that when it's time to do your citation page. You can print. You can also listen to the article by clicking on listen. It will begin reading.
Mandela, Nelson. Shapers of Society Online. Lincoln Library Press.
So if you like to listen, you can do that as well. And there are some tools within the listening tool of the database. If you click Factcite, it will take you back to the home page. And let's take a look at world biography. And again, it divides up the people into their specialties. It also gives you can, if you wanted to research somebody from New Jersey, you can go down to search by state, and it gives different leaders that were from New Jersey, if that is of interest. And let's go back to the main page. All right, we're going to skip down to American history, and specifically we'll look at the Civil War. And again, it has a timeline of the different aspects of the Civil War, which would come in very helpful for you in 8th grade, because that is a main topic in social studies. It has a lot of the different events that happened, major players, people, and we'll go back to the top and back to the home page. You can research scientific issues and countries and cultures. Within the eras in American history, it will have the different time periods from the beginning, exploration through colonial America, Revolutionary War. And if you were to click into, then it has battles, the presidents, vice presidents, key people of that time period. So Factcite is an excellent resource for you to use in any of your research, but is it especially helpful if you are trying to get ideas for people to research and then the articles about those people.